Okay guys, here's an update of the K-Series Datsun. I'm finally jumping back into it. I got this car finally in my garage. So, now I can have time to really jump back into it and finish it. Definitely what I'm working on, as you guys can see, the silicone couplings. I'm gonna work and try to route how my intercooler is gonna sit in the front. I'm gonna run 2-inch intercooler piping due to I'm really not trying to boost, but I'm only boosting because I don't have enough space here to put the exhaust. That's it. But back to this, I'm gonna keep you guys posted, updated. I'm gonna definitely make sure that I got the intercooler mounted. I'm gonna put the radiator. I'm gonna work on making sure that's mounted as well. Then I'm gonna work on the wiring harness, and I'm gonna most likely take the fenders off, and I'm gonna work on the entire wiring harness. So this is an update. Finish the body work. I have to lift the body off the frame. There's some welding that has to go down there, has to be done. And yeah, I'm gonna keep documenting everything. So let's see. I did pick up some wheels from another car that I'm parting out. I just don't know. I did have those, but I have the set of 3-piece wheels that I want to have on this car, but I don't know. The other wheels are some Eagle alloy wheels. I'm gonna show you guys that I'm working on polishing now, as you can see. Just in a cap, but yeah. So guys, I'm jumping back into this. I'm gonna try to finish this project within the next couple months. It is summer in New York, so I would usually be in the water, but I'm gonna definitely put in some time. I'm putting in the work.